Derek with Eliminex. Look what the competitor, how they did this. Pest proofing is terrible. Look at that. I could see they probably did it as an emergency and then tell them to call a roofer or something. I mean, the gutter's not even pitched properly. Obviously, snow and ice builds up on this part right here, and it probably damaged the drip edge area. So I can see why they did that, but that's terrible. I mean, that is just terrible. You can tell probably some of the roof is probably bad too. I don't know. And then you can see where they anchored this wire here and then shoved it up under here. See the big hole? I mean, it's just pathetic. They just did that. I was told they did this 4 months ago. Yeah. So the squirrels just like peeled it back. Like a big hole. Look at that. Probably a squirrel in there right now. Look at that. I might have to take some of these shingles out. Put new wood up. Look at this. Oh no, actually it's good. Actually the roof is fine. It's just terrible. It's just constructed badly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this out. But it won't look like that. That's just pathetic. See, they covered this big gap here with this. So I'm gonna figure this out. Probably have to shove in some actual metal, like real metal, like formed. And they sell it. They sell it. Instead of it's like the fascia board caps. I can buy one of those where it extends out 5 inches, and I can shove it up in there and cap that off permanently, and then reinforce the top with wire. You know, so they can't just try to chew into it. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to do all the trapping first. But you can see what squirrels, they're determined. They get right in, and they're fortunate they didn't just chew a hole right into the roof. They didn't chew a hole right in. Put that back. That's going to be good. I'll probably use some adhesive. But in the meantime, I'm going to, after I do the trapping, hopefully there won't be snow up here, and I can get this all capped up. Yeah.
Yeah.